Sharma. I'm working in BRICAP and we are from 7:30 to 8:30 batch, and today we are going to talk about credit card.
Good morning all, I'm Minnie. I'm working as a project manager with Saskin Communication Technology Sunila.
Good morning everybody, I'm Shiv Kumar. I'm working as a business development manager in a Plus Business Machine Limited company.
So friend, we'll start exactly what is credit card. Credit card is a service provided by a bank in which you can purchase goods and services now and you can pay it later. And the credit card is designed in such a way that you can use it online and offline both. But the thing is, you have to pay the bill in a correct time. If you will pay, that's good. But if you will not pay, the bank will charge few interest on you, and you have to pay that interest. Now we'll come to the history of credit card. The idea of credit card came to the McNerman mind while he was having his dinner in one of the restaurants in New York. When it was time to pay the bill, he realized that he had forgotten his wallet. So he tried to convince the manager, but the manager was not at all agree. He said, either you pay the bill or otherwise you wash the utensil. So what next? So he called her wife. His wife came, they have paid the bill, and after that they leave for home. And entire road he was thinking, what will be the other option? Suppose if someone forget their wallet, so what next other option they have to do? So he started working on that, and after 1 year, in 1949, in 1950, he has opened dining club in which 27 restaurants have participated. And the idea behind this club is you can sign it and you can pay it later. And after 8 years, this club is merged with Bank of America, and the Bank of America originally launched credit card. I would like to hand over this mic to my friend. She will tell you about the benefits of credit card.
Thank you, Sonali. So I just want to know, is there anybody who doesn't use a credit card here? You don't use. Okay, so I think all of us are well aware of the advantages of credit card. Nevertheless, I would like to brief you of it once. Yeah. The most important advantage, right, as we are aware of, that it comes very handy when we are running out of solid cash, right? We can imagine the fag end of the month when the salary is slowly coming down, in our account, and imagine the case of an emergency at that point. Okay, medical emergency, you run into an accident, you want to repair your car, etc. And at that point of time, and when you're short of credit, this is the most convenient method to make your payment, right? So that's the most, the most, it's the top priority use of the credit card, I would say. And secondly, the convenience aspect. Of course, when you compare to the purchase that you do with solid cash, as compared to that, the cash has its disadvantages. You have to go to a nearby ATM, you have to search for an ATM, take it, carry it, you are at risk of theft, etc. So with a card, then you are free of most of these disadvantages, because it's very convenient to carry with you and you don't have to worry about most of these things. Thirdly, it helps you to track your expenses well, because suppose we withdraw money and then we use it, we never realize how the money gets over, because we just use it, and unless we manually track the usage, we never know how we have really spent it. So in that aspect, with the statement of credit card, right, we really get to track it and see how well we have utilized the money. Okay, and these days the credit cards, there are different types of cards, and they give rewards, right, for your purchases. You can have cashback type of cards. You get some money back out of what you spend. Then there are other type of cards also where you get reward points and then you can use it on any merchandise item for your flight tickets. Different ways to redeem that money back. Okay. Globally, one more thing is, it can be used across. So you can use it within the country and abroad as well, and you don't have to be limited with the currency restrictions of the country. So here it's rupees, and if you're shopping in Europe, you can still be free of all those constraints and use it. And lastly, I would like to wind up with one point, that is, the convenient and flexible options that we get to repay. That is, most often we are given the interest-free options, and we have the advantage of paying in EMIs also. So all this, they are truly some of the advantages. I would like to pass it on to my friend Shiva to touch upon some of the disadvantages of it.